You won't believe it. My kids ask me if I can create some videos about cooking. So I started this idea. Then I started to introduce the tools that I use for cooking that will be helpful as well. Many people think cooking is very hard. And for me, in order to cook in a very efficient way, you also need the very correct tools as well. So today I want to introduce a peeler to you. I got this one from IKEA, like $5.99. I have used this for 10 years. So let me show you. So for example, you can use it to peel apples, potatoes, cucumbers. Today I use the cucumber as an example. So for example, you can just peel it like easily. After a couple of seconds, it is done. You can fix it as well. So, and also easy to wash. Cucumber, the peels, separate. Very easy to use the peeler. Hope you will get one for your family as well. Thank you.